never heard it's fast. I never heard the short EAS header tones. Here it goes. It's on my Fire TV stick here.
Weather Service in
It's in the game room.
issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lexington County in central South Carolina, northeastern Aiken County in central South Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight
Yes.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located
My computer
11
told me,
miles
go,
southeast
go.
of Bridge Spring, or 11 miles south of Batesburg, Leesville, moving east at 15 miles per hour.
I never heard it have the quicker tones, actually. But I know it's fast tones already.
Source, radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Batesburg, Leesville, Red Bank, Wagoner, Pellion, Gilbert, Summit, Monetta, Lexington County Airport at Pellion, Fort, Camp Kennard, Steedman, Nice,
It's an
New
EASyPLUS
Holland, St. Maria
activation.
Fire Station, and Cedar Pond Campground.